Website builders are, as their name implies, useful tools to help you build your own website. They make building websites or online stores a quick and easy task, even if you have little to no technical knowledge. With so many website builders online, we were curious which one had the best quality and the most bang for buck. So we purchased various accounts on sites and set up test sites to find out. I'm David from BitCatcher, and these are the best website builders available on the internet right now. So, why use a site builder? Just to provide a little bit of info on why website builders are such a big deal, the majority of businesses and services are slowly turning to e-commerce. In fact, it's almost a requirement for every business to at least have a homepage or a website. Heck, I don't think I've even seen a business without a website in years. You might be wondering why use a website builder when you can just hire a professional IT expert to do it for you. Well, the price is one thing, and secondly, website builders have features built in that make building websites as easy as 1, 2, 3. Some website builders also come with management tools to help you out with the business side of things. Things like processing online payments and managing online inventory. Neat, right? Overall, website builders are really nifty little things that help businesses go online. They're quick, easy, and affordable even with people on a budget. So, how did we pick the site builders on this list? For an accurate review and to give you guys as much information as possible, we went ahead and bought accounts on each of these sites to set up test sites on them. The two key tools that we use to analyze performances are 1. Our own BitCatcher server speed tracker to track the server speed, and 2. An uptime tracker to track the server's uptime. We then compared each website builder against the criteria of what makes a good website builder, which are 1. Speed. Speed is critical to the success of any website. Of course, this will be one of our main focuses. Website builders not only help you create your website, they also function as your own hosting platform, which is why website speed is affected. Number 2, mobile support. It shouldn't just look good on your computer, it should look great on other platforms such as your mobile phone and your tablets. Number 3, prices and notable extras. Other than different pricings, we also took into consideration the subtle, unique differences that each website builder has to offer. Number 4 is the e-commerce features offered, and number 5 is the ease of use of the website builders itself. So without further ado, here they are, the 5 best website builders available online today. Number 1, Wix. Wix is definitely one of the most popular choices around. Wix comes with many beautiful templates bundled up with an excellent editor. The interface itself is very plug and play. In fact, even a complete beginner can come up with professional looking websites. In fact, I personally tried Wix to make my own website, and it only took me 3 hours. 2.5 hours of it was me being indecisive about what color scheme I'd like to use. But our favorite thing about it? Websites built with Wix are really fast. In fact, it's one of the fastest we've ever reviewed. When we set up our test site with Wix and ran it through our BitCatcher speed checker, it scored a solid A+ with an average speed of 116.9 ms. Speed is really important when you're deciding on the right website builder. A slow website speed affects search rankings and visitors' experience. Of course, with Wix, you're not going to have a run-in with any of these problems. Other than speed, Wix also offers some great features such as a killer management tool to optimize websites, a mobile editor for editing on the go, and a huge app market where you can download additional add-ons for more customizations. The downside to it? There's no running from Wix. Wix doesn't allow you to export your sites, so in essence, you either start anew or you stay with Wix. Wix's online stores also do not include free or basic plans. Having said this, Wix is still great and easy to use. In terms of price, they start from $17 a month for their unlimited plan. Number 2, Shopify. While many website builders only provide basic websites, Shopify comes fully equipped with many features. In fact, when it comes down to e-commerce sites, Shopify is a true winner with over 500,000 merchants using it. If you're considering dabbling in e-commerce, Shopify is one of the highest recommended places to start. Why? Here are some of the features that Shopify has to offer for you. 1. The integration system helps retail stores and physical shops integrate seamlessly into e-commerce. 2. You have a massive selection of third-party apps to choose from. 3. The best of all, Shopify lets merchants market their goods through multiple platforms such as Facebook and Pinterest. Of course, in terms of speed, Shopify is one of the chart toppers. They earn an A+ with an insane speed of 8 ms. The downside, the price, of course. Like what Uncle Ben said, with great power comes great responsibility. Unfortunately, equipped with such a power can bring serious potential drawbacks, such as Shopify's attention to detail being too overwhelming for some users to handle. So, if you're new to e-commerce, you might find Shopify a little bit intimidating. Shopify also has one of the biggest price tags amongst all of the website builders, starting at $29 a month, plus the basic plan only allows up to 2 staff accounts. Furthermore, transaction fees also apply unless you use Shopify payments. Additionally, there's no free plans beyond 14 days. Number 3. Zyro. Zyro is the new kid on the block that's been under the limelight as a dark horse for a while now. They did very well in terms of speed. Our Zyro site scored an A+ with an average speed of 139.8 ms. Aside from that, there were 2 things we really liked from Zyro: the low cost and the simplicity. Zyro embodies simplicity. It's supposed to be quick and easy to use without any fancy tools. While the industry seems to be adding more and more features, Zyro is definitely a refreshing change. Zyro is budget friendly. First of all, there's a free plan for you to try out Zyro for free as long as you like. Once you're convinced that Zyro is for you, then you can upgrade your plans accordingly. And even more so, Zyro is incredibly budget friendly. It starts at slightly more than $1 a month, $1.30 to be exact. Plus, it even comes with e-commerce features in its plans. The downsides to Zyro, well, it's a work in progress. As with anything new, there's bound to be issues here and there, but Zyro responds and resolves these issues rather swiftly. Furthermore, some of you may think Zyro is too simple and featureless. However, we think it's perfect for beginners and anyone who wants to get their websites up quickly. And for the price, there's really nothing to complain about. Number 4. Weebly. Weebly is a versatile and efficient website builder. Prices start at $12 a month for Weebly Pro. Weebly scored an A+ on speed with an average server response time of 129.2 ms. So, Weebly wins a big tick for us. What makes Weebly qualified to be in this list is because Weebly's editor doesn't offer as many visual previews as the others on the site, but they make up for it in a very user-friendly UI and a wide variety of templates to choose from. Other than that, Weebly is also extremely mobile responsive. Aside from having a mobile editor, they also have a full-fledged mobile app that lets you edit your websites on your phone. The downside of Weebly is its erratic performance. Unfortunately, their website performance can be erratic and inconsistent, which can get a little bit frustrating. The editor's interface is underpowered and support is somewhat limited. Although Weebly is a great website builder, it seems like they've lost their direction and they lack the focus. However, they're still really great website builders. Number 5. Squarespace. In our opinion, Squarespace is the best for medium-sized markets. First off, Squarespace offers good overall website speed. In general, Squarespace websites seem to perform well from all corners of the globe. They score an A+ speed ranking with an average response time of 133.9 ms. So what is it like to use Squarespace? Well, when you first start venturing into Squarespace, you'll find out its editor is a little bit peculiar. Along with restrictive layouts, Squarespace may take some time to master. However, the lovely templates, powerful features, and great support cannot be ignored. The drag and drop interface is awesome. It allows for a seamless website creation experience. For example, you can easily customize the location of the elements. This gives you more control over your own website, unlike other website builders that limit your elements to preset blocks. The downsides to Squarespace are its limitations. Squarespace somewhat drops in ranking as it has a higher price and less features than other website builders. For example, there's only 60 templates available, with limited layout control with a steep learning curve to it. The offer price is rather average with no extra opportunities for extensive testing. All these may pose a problem when meeting the demands of a digitally matured US market. Of course, Squarespace still has its strengths and perks. So the verdict? Which website builder should you go for? Remember, the best website builder for you will always depend on your particular needs and purposes for your website. Today, we've covered Wix, Shopify, Zyro, Weebly, and Squarespace. In a world where many people make decisions based on price, you must remember, picking the perfect website builder is a nuanced decision, so don't forget to do your research. That's all for it, folks. If you liked it, remember to give BizCatcher a like and subscribe. Thanks, peace!